What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I mark up my charts. This is mainly for my son. My son is about to start a $100 challenge and grow his account in 90 days to up to $8,000 or more. And I'm going to show you the simple trading plan that I use to mark up my chart and take action to take my trades. My goal is to get 20 pips a day. 20 pips per trade. That's it. You only got to get 20 pips a day to accomplish this goal. And the first thing I do is, you see these yellow lines? That is my daily support and resistance levels for the high and low. It's better to say high and low right now because you guys might not understand support and resistance. High is the highest the price went for the day. The lowest is the lowest that the price went for that day. So for Friday, we're getting ready to trade for Monday. You can start trading on Sunday as early as 9 p.m. because that would be considered the Asian session. You got 3 sessions. You got Asian session, you got New York session, and you got London session. The first one is Asian session, then it's London, then it's New York. So what we're going to do is look for our daily high and low. And what you got to do is put on trading view, look for the daily candles. Each candle represents a day. Each candle represents a day. So that green candle, the last candle you see right here, this green candle represent Friday. This candle right here represent Thursday. This one right here represent Wednesday. This one right here represent Tuesday, and so on. So we're only concerned about what happened Friday. And as you see, the market was real congested. It was very congested. Really, it didn't move. It really didn't move. So the beginning of the new year actually start January 6th. And that's when the market is going to pick back up. Everything is going to be back open. And that's what's important. So what we want to do is get rid of our no-go trade zone because we're going to create a new one. Delete that. This white line here is my hourly support. I'll talk more about that in a minute. Support and resistance. So what we want to do is see the low. I just put that the lowest it went. It pretty much tell you too. It'll tell you exactly what was your low and what was your high for the day on some platforms. But here we just mark it. It's better to learn how to mark your charts because if you learn how to mark your charts, you'll learn how to trade, and it's as simple as that. You'll know when to take your trades. You will know what you're looking for. You will have a trading plan instead of guessing and gambling. So we go down. That's the highest it went right there. You mark that, and it doesn't have to be spot on. Only thing you have to do is be close. Everybody, 5 people can mark up their charts, and you're gonna have a different number. But it's gonna be very close if you do it right. So we got our daily high and low. Then we want to take it to the hour. Go to the hour time frame. Now each of these candles represent 1 hour, and the only thing you're looking for is probably the last 2-3 hours. So that would be this candle, that red candle, and the green candle. You will want to see how high and low that went. And as you see, that would be about right here. That's what I'm looking for. So now, come Sunday or Monday, I'm just looking for it to break either that support and resistance for my hourly. I want it to break and go below 150, 195, 297, or I want it to break high I want to break low for 195,297, or I want it to break high at 195,534. That's what we're looking for in order to take a trade. If it break out high, we buy. If it break out low, we sell. And that's where we get our 20 pips and dip from. So what we're going to do to make sure we know not to trade until it break that area is create a rectangle no-go trade area. Boom. And that's where you guys see that burgundy come from. Boom. So we do that. Get back out. Boom. Now we know exactly where not to trade. Anywhere in that red, do not trade. We're just waiting for a break, high or low. And that's all I do every day. It only take 2 minutes, not even that, to do this. It only take 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops to mark up your chart. Now you have a trading plan. This is your trading plan. Now, if it break out high, you know to get your 20 pips and dip. Some people let it go up to 30 pips, then guarantee themselves 20 pips. And if it continue to go up, get all the cash you want. And that's usually how I trade. If I see it can go up higher, I see if it's going to, but I make sure I guarantee myself, once it hit 20 pips, I guarantee myself at least 10 pips. Then as it go higher, I continue to protect my funds. That's the whole object of the game, protect your funds. So when you're trading, say with $100, you only want to risk 3 to 5%. 3 to 5%. If you know what you're doing, you can go as high as 10 to 20% if you know what you're doing. But if you don't know what you're doing, just stick between 3 and 5%. That's only $5 per trade, and it grows fast. Regardless what you're doing, it's all about learning to be consistent. It's all about learning to be patient. That's the main thing about this game, being patient. So this is my chart marked up for January 6, 2025. This is the chart I'm going by. This is what I'll be looking for. And this is how you should be practicing to mark your chart. If you're looking at this video and January 6 haven't hit yet, mark up your chart. Get you a trading view. Get the trading view app and practice on marking up charts. Not just JBP, JPY. Mark up about 5 different pairs just to get used to doing it. The more you do it, the more you get accommodated with marking up charts and seeing entries. You don't have to just trade JBP, JPY. That's something I love to trade. You can trade Euro USD, Euro JPY. You can. It's plenty of. It's over 48 different pairs, maybe even more that you can trade. I just choose what I like. I've been trading for over 8 years now, and I know what I like, and I stick with one. And this worked for me. That's what worked for me. I've been trading it nonstop, and I get paid off of, I know my pair. So learn only 2 to 3 pairs is what I suggest you learn, and practice. You don't have to trade. You don't have to trade your money all the time. Just practice and demo. Practice and demo. Get you a MetaTrader 4 and practice and demo. But this is the correct way you mark up your chart no matter what you're trading. Copy this format and you will be successful. Contact me and show me that you marked up your chart. Let me see if you marked it up right so I can tell you. Let's talk. It's all about, being consistent. Get consistent with until you feel safe, and to do it on your own. Ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. This is Coach D. I'm out.